In the world of digital marketing, you must have heard the term copywriting. But very few people talk about copywriting. It's one of the essential skills for any digital marketer. It has been estimated that there are 1,31,200 copywriters in the United States today. It is projected that the copywriting job market will grow by 7.6% from 2016 to 2026. Freelance market for copywriting is on a roll. Companies like Upwork and Fiverr are filled with copywriters. There are many advantages of freelance copywriting jobs, like being your own boss, a flexible schedule, and doing what you love. In this video, we will try to understand the art of copywriting in very simple manner. If you stick to this video till the end, I assure you that you will have a good understanding of copywriting. Hey everyone, I'm Tushar Badiwal. Welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. But before we begin, if you enjoy watching tech related content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hitting that bell icon to stay tuned. So without any further delay, let's get started with the agenda for today's session. We will start off the session with an overview of what copywriting is. What does a copywriter do? Then its various types. Next, we will understand the difference between copywriting and content writing. Moving forward, we will discuss the best tools for copywriters can use. And finally, we will end the session by discussing the job scenario and salary of a copywriter. So let's begin with our first topic, what is copywriting? In simple words, copywriting is a type of writing or a set of words that will convince the reader to take some kind of action. And that action can be anything, like registering for an event, signing up for something, or buying a product. Businesses usually hire copywriters to write landing pages, Facebook and Google Ads copy, social media posts, etc. in order to convince the readers to take some action. Copywriting should be part of any marketing plan and is one of the most powerful ways to capture the attention of your target audience and motivate them to convert or purchase. Copywriting is everywhere when you go online or even offline. Remember the Google ad that you see when you search for something in Google? That is a copy. Or if you check your email box, you will find different promotional mails by different companies that are a copy. Basically, those companies are trying to convince you to take some action. It can be anything. For example, an e-commerce company will convince you to purchase some of their store products. Now let's talk about the copywriting formula. A good copy usually follows AIDA formula. A stands for attention, I for interest, D for desire, and A for action. Almost every good copywriter uses this formula to write better copies. And it's important for you in case you decided to become a copywriter or want to use copywriting in some of your work. So I hope now we understand what actually copywriting is. Now let's try to understand what does a copywriter actually do. The copywriter's job is to write words that convince an audience to take some action for the benefit of the company in which the writer works. Let's have a look at sample copywriter job description that will help you understand the role and responsibilities and the skills needed for this role. So firstly, let's have a look at responsibilities. Writing, editing, and publishing engaging content for various social media networks including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google My Business. Optimizing social media posts, language, tone, message based on your target audience behavior. Selecting appealing images and videos to complement text for designers to design the post. Let's have a look at some more responsibilities. Coordinate with internal teams to create advertising posts for clients. Respond to questions and comments on social media pages promptly and accurately. There can be more responsibilities to a copywriter depending on what the company needs, so it varies from company to company. Now let's see what skills a company looks for in a copywriter. Hands-on experience using various social media platforms to advertise. Solid knowledge of SEO, keyword research, and analytics tools, example Google Analytics. Familiarity with online paid advertising. Let's have a look of some others requirement and skills. Ability to deliver creative web content, text, image, and video. Excellent communication skills. So now we know what copywriter does. Let's explore its various types. SEO copywriting. It means optimizing the copy using keywords to make it rank at the top of the search results. For example, if you optimize a company's product page correctly through SEO copywriting, then there is a high chances that your sales page would rank at the top of the search result, which would result in more sales. Next, we have social media copywriting. This type of copywriting is used on social media platform. For example, a catchy title is used to grab the attention of the user, and emoji is used to make the copy interesting or frame the right message in order to convince the audience to take some kind of action. Next, we have technical copywriting. The motive for writing technical copy is to explain the latest technologies or the technical product that a company wants to sell. For example, if you have a tech product, you need a copywriter who can explain the technical aspect, use case of the product, and how that product helps the customer. Direct response copywriting. It is a type of communication that is compelling enough to be able to influence the customers to act. In other words, any copy that encourages the recipient to act immediately and the response from the reader are measurable. Another type of copywriting is public relation copywriting. In public relation copywriting, you write newsworthy things to catch your audience attention and gain their trust. It helps you quickly earn an audience with credible sources, and as a result, your business can promote its product and services more effectively. Whenever you search on Google, you see some ads at the top of the search results that are also made up using copywriting. Following that, next we have ad copywriting. This type of copywriting is used to create effective ads. Generally, it's used in Facebook and Google ads. Now we reach the second last type of copywriting in the list, which is email copywriting. As you understood by the name, all the copy that we use in emails are email copywriting. It includes a good subject line, nice preview text, an intro sentence for the body of your email, and a strong call to action. Now let's discuss our last type, which is brand copywriting. Brand recognition and connecting with customer begin with communicating what your brand represents. Your brand image can be conveyed through writing. It can be in the form of logo, a song, or a phrase. To create brand copy, you have to think about your customers first. With this, we have come to the end of this copywriting types list. Before jumping into the next topic, I have a task for you. Just pause this video and in the comment box, type your favorite type of copywriting. I hope you are done with the comment. Let's move forward to our next topic, which is difference between copywriting and content writing. Firstly, let's discuss the difference based on the overall goal. Copywriting is a type of writing aimed at selling a brand. On the other hand, content writing is all about building a perception in consumers' mind. The next difference is based on the length of the content. A copywriter typically writes short form of copy, and a content writer writes long form of copy. Text written by copywriter is brief and engaging. Content writer often have to write more in-depth content explaining a process or topic. Now, what's the difference when it comes to a role in a company? A copywriter is someone whose primary role is to create copy, and a content writer often does more than just write. It may be a writer, blogger, executive, or anyone else. Lastly, let's discuss the difference based on SEO. A good copywriter understands SEO, but when it comes to a good content writer, they should know about the advanced SEO. Now let's explore some of the helpful tools for a copywriter. Copy AI. It's an AI tool, and the greatest thing about this tool is it's very simple to use. You can generate Instagram caption, product description, and even product value proposition by just providing a few words. It's a paid tool, but it has a 7 days free trial. The next tool that we have is Grammarly. Grammarly is a free online tool that finds mistakes in your writing and suggests improvements. As you write, Grammarly will underline any mistake you have made and offer suggestions on how to fix them. Additionally, it has a plagiarism checker and a punctuation checker. However, for additional features, you need to go with Grammarly Premium. WordTune. With the help of Grammarly, you can fix your writing mistakes. But when it comes to rephrase and rewording your content without sacrificing flow, tone, or meaning, WordTune came into the picture. Hence, the combination of Grammarly and WordTune is the best for the copywriter. And it's a paid tool, but have a free plan for beginners. The last tool in our bucket is Wordsmith. If you rely on data in your day-to-day decisions, Wordsmith is perfect for you. It can be used for everything from journalism to financial reporting because it produces natural sounding content. Simply create one template and set up a few variables, and Wordsmith will generate multiple alternative scripts. For example, you can write chatbot scripts for responding to various complex customer requests. Now comes the most interesting and the last topic of our session, the average salary of a copywriter. Several factors determine the income a person can expect, including experience, the size of your company, your location, and your industry. Copywriters are the brain behind advertisements, explaining what the product does and why people should buy it. They are also responsible for shaping the brand's identity and tone of voice. Copywriters are a valuable resources for businesses as they are responsible for writing the first impression customers get of a company. A copywriter earns approximately 3,64,000 per annum in India, and in the US, he/she can earn roughly $53,000. And when it comes to a senior copywriter, the average salary in India is 5,86,000 per annum, and in the US, he/she can roughly earn $78,000 per year. So with this, we have come to the end of the session on copywriting. I hope the session was informative and exciting. In case you have questions about any of the topics covered in the session, or if you need resources used in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of practitioners will be more than happy to resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, this is Tushar from the Simplilearn team, signing off. Thank you, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.